how are you doing today, Kent?
Chambers. Okay.
Hello. What is aphasia? Aphasia is a language disorder that is generally caused by damage to specific areas of the brain. Depending on the type of aphasia, overall symptoms include inability to produce well-formed sentences, difficulty to retrieve words, difficulty to understand speech, difficulty in reading, and difficulty in writing. Before we talk about the different types of aphasia, let's talk about general causes of the condition. The first cause of aphasia is what is referred to as a stroke. The cells of the brain, that is to say, the neurons, sometimes fail to receive enough blood flow. This can be due to the breaking of a vessel, causing the blood to flow and accumulate and put pressure on the cell, leading to its death, and this is referred to as hemorrhagic stroke. Stroke can also take the form of what is referred to as ischemia, or ischemic stroke. In ischemic stroke, what happens is that blood clots or other elements accumulate in the vessel, blocking the passage of the blood to the neurons. And of course, passage of the blood means the supply of oxygen and of nutrients. When a cell fails to receive these vital elements, it undergoes the process known as necrosis, or the death of the cell. Aphasia may also result from direct injuries to specific parts of the brain, as, for example, in case of accidents. Aphasia may also come from neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. And now we move to the different types of aphasia. The first type that is well known is what is referred to as Broca's aphasia, or non-fluent aphasia. The term non-fluent is self-explanatory because the person affected by Broca's aphasia can understand speech, but he or she finds it difficult to produce well-formed sentences. Patients suffering from Broca's aphasia may also experience difficulty retrieving words. Understanding remains intact. Broca's aphasia is caused by damage in the left hemisphere, in an area referred to as Broca's area, in the frontal lobe, in the posterior part of the frontal gyres. Wernicke's aphasia, or fluent aphasia, is characterized by the patient's ability to produce speech, but with hardly any meaning. This means that production is not affected while comprehension is. Wernicke's aphasia is also caused by damage in the left hemisphere, in an area referred to as Wernicke's area, located in the temporal lobe, in the posterior part of the superior temporal gyres. In extreme cases, patients can suffer from both Broca's aphasia and Wernicke's aphasia. That is to say, they have problems both in speech production and speech comprehension. Here we are talking about global aphasia, and it's generally caused by damage in the fiber that connects Broca's area and Wernicke's area. This tissue is referred to as the arcuate fasciculus, which acts like a bridge between the production area and the comprehension area. Thank you very much.